Hi, welcome to our How to Apply for a Course at Walsall College video. I will first take you to our website. Okay, so this is our URL. If you want to look at our website, you will click on this link here. If you do actually want to straight away start looking at courses or you know specifically what you after, you can click on course search or subjects, but I will walk you through via our website. Okay, so this is our website here. There are two options and two ways to get into finding your course that you're interested in. There's this option here, so let me just click through and show you. This will take you through to this page here where you've got lots of different filters to search for a course that you might be interested in. So you can search by course level, subject area, type of course. You can go through all of these options. If you know what kind of area you're interested in, so let's just put in sport for now, you can pop that in and then look through the list here. So these are the different kind of courses and careers. So you can go in via that way. What I would suggest, and I think is a bit more informative, is if you hover over the Study With Us tab and then click on All Subjects. And this page actually, this will take you to all of the different curriculum areas, the different subjects that we actually teach at the college. So you've got a bit of an overview of all the different options that are available for you. We've got everything from art design, automotive, travel tourism, all the way through to early years, English and maths, fashion, music. There is a ton of different things here. So do have a good look through and click on the ones that you might be interested in. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I will be going on to graphic design. Okay, so this takes us to a page where we can see what courses are on offer. You've got a gallery, video, and lots of little useful links, so I'll talk you through all of these. On the right hand side here, you've got your study options. So if I click on that here, that shows me all our full-time provision at the moment and our part-time offer. This section in the middle, it's a video just giving you again a bit more advice, show real student work, that sort of thing, so you can obviously have a look through that at your pleasure. You've also got a gallery here, so you can click through lots of pictures of our facilities and work that students have done. This is really useful here, so if you got some quick links to other pages, so if you want to register for an open day, you want to find out a bit more about financial support or the work experience options, or if you want to find out if you're eligible for a free bus pass or a free breakfast, you can do so by clicking on these links here. We've also got related news and blog articles on the right hand side, related case studies, and this is a really little useful tool here. These are our career cards. So these are already pre-populated with graphic designers and artists. On here you can look at things like what the weekly pay is, and these are kind of average stats, what your salary might be, what the kind of hours you might be expected to work, and then this is quite useful here. You can see if there is a prospect of that particular sector, is it growing. So it's really handy. If you want to look at other careers, you can do so. Just clear the card, click here, and I'll pop in media. Yeah, advertising. Let's click on that one. So again, it gives you the stats for that relevant career. It's really helpful. Definitely worth having a look through there and having a look at the different sort of options and career choices. So now I will take you on to a course page. So for this demonstration, I will be applying for the Level 3 Diploma in Graphic Design. So this is the course page here, and on this page, this is where you will find all your information about that particular course. So you've got your course overview, and beneath that you've got a variety of different tabs that you can click on to find out things like entry requirements, progression opportunities, methods of assessments. There's lots of different useful things here. So do take a good read through all of that information. On the right hand side here, you've got your course code, the level, the mode of study, when the start date is, and the location. If you want to look at other related relevant courses, you can click on the other tab here, this one here. So if I go back to the overview, if you want to have a printout of the course sheet, you can do so by clicking this option here, and that will print out everything on this page as well as the information that's sit under the tabs. So let's go and apply. So this will take you to this sign in page here. So I'm just going to pop in some details. Please make sure you pop in your correct details so we can keep in touch with you easily afterwards. Okay. So what you need to do first is register yourself, so then we can get you to apply for the course. So that takes us to this page here. Again, it is a really short form. Just pop in all your details as accurately as you can. And what I would suggest is definitely pop in a mobile phone number so it's easier for us to contact you should we need to do so in regards to your application. You then click on register. Oh, looks like I missed a field, so that was really useful and handy. Pop that in and then click on register. Okay, and it is literally just this page here now that you need to fill out before you go on to click the apply now button at the bottom. So again, you can check your contact details and you can edit it if you need to do so. Do read through all of these questions properly on the left hand side and answer to the best of your ability. So I'm just going to quickly go through these so I can show you what the next bit is here. In this box here, you can add in any sort of other subjects that you may wish to study. And in this one here, this is quite a useful box for us. If you can pop in any sort of relevant work experience, career interests, hobbies, anything that might support with your application, please do so in that box here. Let me just quickly fill these ones out. Okay. You can add in any sort of references or referees by clicking on this button here. And that will take you to this page. Just go back, and again, if you need any additional support such as a note taker for instance, do pop that in via this page here where you can pop in your details and then somebody will contact you further in regards to any sort of support and guidance that we can offer to you. Do read up on any of our bursaries. You might be eligible for some free meals or free bus pass. If you do have any further queries in regards to the application, you can email this email address here or use this number, but in this instance it might be best to email this address here. Click on apply now, and this is your thank you page. Thank you for applying, and you've got some further details here that you need to read through, and I hope you did find that useful. In this instance, we probably will be contacting you via email in the first instance and then follow up with a phone call as well, just to make sure you're happy with your application and to talk you through all the next steps following on from this. I do hope you found this useful. If you do have any further query, please email us on info@walsallcollege.ac.uk and we will get back to you in regards to your query. Thank you very much for your time.